What's up, ladies and germs? The slow travel journey continues on Thinking Man's channel. Rich's Method back at it again. Don't forget to like, share, comment. So, let's go. Alright, so today what we're going to do, man, I got to price some shirts. Got to pick up some shirts. Got to price some other items. Got to check out some sneakers. You know, basic stuff. I will tell you something. Oh, look at this. I like this. All right. Oh, cafe right here. Let me check that out. Not bad prices. Better than Starbucks, that's for sure. And views. Ooh. I gotta come back here and sit down later on. Damn. Yeah, I was saying I need some gear, but I need some legit gear, man. Not that stuff from China that they settled them in the Duarte Avenue. So, best place, Agora Mall. Here we are. Hola. Hola. Nice enough. She didn't even hear me though. I swear to God, man. Every time I come in here, it's like I'm just looking for trouble in Santo Domingo. Looking for trouble in Santo Domingo. You gotta get some coffee or some tea.
No coffee.
Hey, how come your English is so good? You gotta get some coffee or some tea.
No coffee.
Hey, how come your English is so good? Have some tea. Actually, I think she said coffee. Anyway, I don't even drink coffee. But I'll drink some coffee. I don't care what y'all say, man. Santo Domingo. See, that's the thing about out here, man. You got everything. Classy, trashy, and everything in between, man. You got it all. Hope this little jingle right here is not copyrighted. Dang, YouTube and the copyrights. Oh, let me go holler at the security guard.
Oh, yes.
Total.
Yeah. This is 3.
Third floor. Third floor. And this is segundo? Acá. Uno. Here. Two. One more. Yeah. You sure you're trying a little English? Sure. Battery's dead on my cell phone, fellas. Give me a little charge right now. In case y'all were ever wondering about the brand names, if you're noticing, you can get every brand right here in the capital, right? This is not the countryside. This is not Punta Cana. This is not Puerto Plata, man. You got Blue Mall, you got Orland Mall, you got Mega Central, you got all the different brands, man. Grab your ebook, fellas. payhip.com/RichesMethod. Miso. Slipping down that vanilla ice cream. Look at this place, man. Look at these views. It's like me being back in high school, Kings Plaza Mall, man. New York, Brooklyn, baby. Yeah, some quality stuff, man. Skechers, definitely legit. Feels nice. So this bank right here, you got Western Union. You could kind of do PayPal type money online though. Good views. successful day. Got all the stuff that I needed, the info. Check out some items, grab 3 shirts, and got all charged up. Time to order Uber, man. Let me get out of here, man. Hey, don't forget, like, share, drop a comment below. Check out the ebooks on dating, travel, living abroad, financial security. I'm gonna check you guys next one. And yes, Gora Mall, undefeated. There's the name right here on the wall next to the elevator. Check it out. Fire and Team. It's not to the menu.